Rush hour for PS2 and GameCube!
Space, the final frontier.
Live long and prosper.
These are the voyages of a bunch of space cadets
Nachos?
seeking out new worlds
I'm sensing a very sensual disturbance in the Force.
and new civilizations,
Prepare for ship-to-ship intimacy.
boldly going to boogie on down.
You are now watching Sky One. We've interrupted programming for all Sky channels to bring you some breaking news. Please stand by. You are now watching Sky One. Please listen carefully. For the next 24 hours, all residents of the United Kingdom are advised not to sleep due to an ongoing situation. Many civilians have been reporting of a strange, godlike shadow which has appeared in their dreams. These dreams are currently being investigated. However, it appears that almost everyone seems to be having the same nightmare. These nightmares are being linked to multiple deaths, which the majority of them have been caused by people ending their lives. It's claimed that during the dream, the godlike shadow figure will speak to in a way where you'll wake up in a trance-like state, where you're very vulnerable. It's unknown what the unidentified figure has been saying, due to the lack of memory from the victims when they wake up. There have been reports of the shadow in these dreams to have the following characteristics. The height of this unknown figure is around 7 foot tall. Their speech is extremely garbled and is believed to be a mixture of broken Latin and German. The creature appears to have 4 wings, which are at the length of the average human arm. Nobody has been able to see or state what this creature's face looks like. If anyone has any information regarding this situation, do not hesitate to contact the relevant authorities as they are investigating into this as we speak. A few people have reported in hearing low-pitched, loud howling sounds as soon as they woke up for approximately 15 minutes. While this is uncommon, it's advised you remain wary of this effect due to its obscure nature and its ability to drive the victims of these nightmares into further insanity. Young children have been proven to be at higher risk with these dreams, with the ages of 5 to 9 years old to be most common. If you have any children or siblings of these ages, it's your duty to ensure that they're awake during this time. Particularly with younger children, it seems that this shadow targets this demographic more. It's not known what its intentions are nor its identity. Simply closing your eyes puts you at massive risk of experiencing any form of nightmares involving this entity. If you do not remember having any form of bad dreams, it's suggested that you watch out for these following symptoms, as having them could indicate that you've had this dream unknowingly. These include, but are not limited to, increased heart rate, which is higher than average, sweltering high temperature higher than the average illness, extreme anger, paranoia, and psychosis. If you recognize anything from this list, you should distance yourself from anything that you may use which could potentially harm you. You may encounter disturbing, but not to mention, bizarre hallucinations once you wake up as well. But no matter what, do not do anything these hallucinations tell you to do. This is being classified as a national emergency due to how widespread this phenomenon has become over the past hours or so. Any suspicious activity which could be related to the nightmares must be reported promptly and swiftly. This could be the work of a being far greater than us. So, no matter what you do not attempt to struggle or fight against anything. We wish you all the best here on Sky One. Please remember not to panic or attempt to fall asleep no matter the...
Don't be so silly. It's now safe to sleep. Don't you dare listen to anything said in this Let's dream together for eternity.